Good morning. This is our living room, but because my cats love to be here, so I move some of the furnitures and just leave this part. And here they are having sunbathing. Here is Jerry. Hello, Jerry. Say hi. And also, this is Tom. Hello, Tom. Say hi. And they love to be outside. I leash both of them, and I just put it here. I trained them for 2 months using the leash, and now they are okay with that. They don't bite the leash anymore, and they just enjoying the sunshine. Oh, I just cleaned my garden, my small flower garden. I love it. And up there, and look at them. They just sit there the whole day, and they just move around when they feel very hot. Here, Tom was here, but because it's very hot, and then he moved here. Also Jerry now, and they love it. Is it enough? Can we come in now? Look.